Hello, and welcome back. If you've been following along, the last video in our series showed you how to download the MDS app for your Android, iOS, or Windows device. Today's video will show you how to utilize the MDS for scoring from start to finish. Once you open your app, this will be the login page. Go ahead and use your same credentials as the web. The first time you need to be connected to the internet, as it will pull down any children you've already added on the web. Once complete, you should see the dashboard, and if you need to sync any new children from the web in the future, you'll use the icon in the upper right. The dashboard is split into three sections. Child information, where you can search or browse for an existing child or add a new one. Assessments, where you can start or resume an assessment, as well as sync completed assessments back to the web. And lastly, reports, where you can run a full report for committed record forms, just like the web. Let's create a record form for an existing child. After searching, click on the Add Record Form icon next to the desired child. Select your record form type, assessment date, examiner, program label, and start your assessment. The app will then bring you to the test session overview page where you can select the subdomain you would like to assess to get started. Based on the child's age, the app will place you at the suggested starting point and will guide you through the assessment using reverse logic, as well as Basel and ceiling logic and indicators. Some other things to note on the record form are in the upper right of your screen. From left to right is the Save button, the Record Tools icon, where you can go back to the overview page, add notes, or reset scores, and the Test Record Navigation icon, where you can go to any question in any of the subdomains on the record form. Once you've gone through and answered the necessary questions, you will receive basal and ceiling indicators as well as a ceiling obtained message when it has been reached. Once a raw score has been obtained, estimated scores are displayed on the overview page. Other great features included in our record forms include pictures from the item books, tally scoring, and in-app timers. Once you've completed a record form, go back to the dashboard and click on Resume Commit Assessment when you're ready to sync back to the web. Be aware that this feature needs an internet connection to be utilized. Go ahead and select the appropriate record forms and press Commit. A pop-up will appear advising that the commit process will use an ERF and that reporting will then be available for the record form. To run a full report, click on Full Reports button from the dashboard while connected to the internet. Select the information from the drop-downs and run the report. The report will then be available right on your device. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.